Hello there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create or make a directory using terminal window in Linux operating system. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you are new with my channel, welcome. So let's get started. So here I'm using the Peppermint Linux distribution. So this is the desktop of Peppermint Linux. Let us go to menu and then choose terminal. So we have here the Peppermint terminal. In the terminal we can issue a command man and then mkdir. Now the man is a command for manual that help us understand what is the syntax on how to use the mkdir or make directory in Linux. Press the enter key. So we have here mkdir make directories. So we have here several options to choose from. Okay, so if we are done, just press Q to quit. So let us display first our directory. So we have here a series of folders. Let's say I will make a directory for games. So mkdir space games. Press enter key. Let us display by issuing the command list or ls. So we have already the directory of games. Let us open that particular directory, cd space games. So we have already in the folder of games. So when we issue a command pwg or print working directory, so we have here home Jake, that's me, and then the games folder. Now if you want to go out or exit in the folder, simply issue this command cd space ... It will return to our home directory. So we will issue again the command pwd. So you have seen the folders home Jake. We have no longer in the games. So ls, we have still the directory of games. That's it for this tutorial video on how to create a folder or a directory in Linux operating system. Before we end, thank you very much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something in this tutorial video. Please click the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my new uploaded video. Share to the social media so that others will be learned on my tutorials, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, says until to the next video tutorial. Bye bye for now.